How to add story on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. So as I logged into your account on TikTok application, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, simply select on the plus icon under your profile picture. And as you do that, it will just take you to a new page where you can simply select any of the photos or videos over here, or you can simply tap on the camera icon. So as you tap on the camera icon, you can simply click a picture or a video for your story. So I'm just gonna click a random picture over here. So let's click on a picture. And as you click on a picture, you can add any sort of stickers, add any sort of editing, music, and so on. And you'll be able to add the story to your TikTok application. So you can now just tap on your story and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.